This is over there is a Green Garden Hotel, and I'm so sorry because I cannot walking because I not bring. Okay, guys. Now I'm at the cross of the Bubba Gum already at the Kabar restaurant, Kabar cafe bar, and this is the atmosphere in the Bubba Gum restaurant, guys area. Hi, good day guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so sorry guys because in couple days I made video about video about G20 summit, and now I'm at Kartika Plaza Street, Kuta, in the front of Bubba Gum restaurant, and we have I want to meet with someone from Australia in this restaurant, but they are still not come yet. So this video I will update for the weather in Bali. So now in Bali it's getting rain, guys. A bit heavy the rain. You can see, and today is 15 November 2022. Now in Bali is the happening is G20 summit, and I think it's long. It's I think more than a week not raining in Bali, but now Bali is getting raining again. And look at that! I think this is really famous bar in Kartika is Ka Bar. This is one of the famous bar in Kartika Plaza. Anyway, I will show you how to look like the street, guys. This is over there is a Green Garden Hotel, and I'm so sorry because I cannot walking because I not bring a raincoat, or my camera is not waterproof one because not GoPro thing. But okay, I wanna cross to the street because I wanna go to Kabar bar. Maybe I wanna get some coffee. Uh, because I still waiting my friend from the hotel on the way to Bubagam restaurant in Kartika Plaza. Anyway, I will make video later in the Bubblegum restaurant, guys, because this is my first time in my life eating at the big restaurant in Bali. That is Bubagam. I think it's like dream for me. Maybe for you it's nothing. Bubagam is cheap, but for me it's expensive restaurant in Bali, guys. Okay, now I wanna cross to the Kabar Grill. I wanna get some coffee because I don't want to what uh, standing at the front of Bubagam too long, guys. Okay, let's go. Okay, guys. Now I'm at the cross of the Bubagam already at the Kabar restaurant, Kabar cafe bar, and this is the atmosphere in the Bubagam restaurant, guys area. That bit heavy the rain, but I wanna get some coffee here. Coffee with the ladies. Hi guys, I'm get some coffee at Kebab Grill. Look at that guys, this is my coffee. Wow. In the rainy time, must really nice if you enjoy with coffee because the weather. Hello, Mama. Okay, I come back. She's coming. It's my friend coming. Okay, guys. Uh, my friend was coming to the Bubba Gump, saying this is my last video, and I will make video at Bubba Gump, Bubba Gump, and I wanna put a separate video. I hope you enjoy my video today, guys. And now I want to enjoy my coffee first before I go to the Bubagam restaurant. Really nice time in Bali. Riding in Bali is still good, guys. Still good weather. Still, you can still enjoying because uh, riding in Bali and riding in the Sala is different, guys. It's in Bali is wow. It's nice session. Every day is Sundays. Okay, guys. It's my friend waiting. My friend, look at that. Hello guys. Check check satu dua tiga check. Alright guys, we come back. Now I wanna go to Bubagam restaurant. I wanna get lunch there with my friend from New South Wales, Australia. And there you go. Uh, she already waiting me there. And this is I'm never imagine can eat in the Bubagam shrimp restaurant guys because it's expensive restaurant in Bali. There you go. Now I want to entrance to the restaurant. Okay.